Question 17. Y is directly proportional to the square root of t. Y is 15 when t is 9. T is inversely proportional to the cube of x, and t is 8 when x is 2. Find a formula for y in terms of x. Give your answer in its simplest form. So let's start with y being directly proportional to the square root of t. If something is proportional, then we replace this proportionality sign with an equals k. And so y is equal to some constant times the square root of t. Substituting in the values that we've been given, we know y is 15 when t is 9. So that is 15 is equal to k times root 9. Dividing 15 by the square root of 9, which is 3, we get our k value to be 5, which means this can be rewritten as y is equal to 5 lots of the square root of t. Now let's look at t is inversely proportional to the cube of x. When we have inversely proportional, that means we have 1 over, and we're looking at the cube of x, and so that's x cubed. Again, the proportionality sign can be replaced with equals some constant. I've used m now because we've used k already. Substituting in the values for t and x, so that's t is equal to 8 when x is equal to 2, so 2 cubed gives me the value 8. Multiplying both sides by 8 here gives me the m value is 64. So my constant is 64, so I can write my equation as t is equal to 64 over x cubed. Now I want to bring y in terms of x, and so I can substitute this value of t for this t here, and so y is equal to 5 lots of the square root of t, which I've found to be 64 over x cubed. That is 5 lots of 8 over 3 root 2, so square rooting 64 is 8. Square rooting x cubed is to do x to the power 3 over 2. And then multiplying this by the 5. This is the same as y is equal to 40 lots of x to the minus 3 over 2.